What's up guys? Today at the shop I won't say we've got a classic, I think we've got a modern classic. Beautiful 911 Carrera 4. It's here from our friends at Lemon Garage. We're going to do a full 2-stage paint correction, but first it's in our bay, we're going to decontaminate it and get it ready. This 964 came to the shop. We did a full 2-stage paint correction on this car. This red looks absolutely amazing. We also detailed the inside as well as the engine. A lot of people say the 964 is the most beautiful 911 shape ever made. I kind of have to agree. It's now finished and ready for its new owner.